Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm doing another Shein haul. This is a very autumn winter one, but my Shein hauls just get better and better, and I'm quite good at knowing what you guys are gonna like as well. So I always pick stuff that I'm gonna like, but also you're gonna like. I do have a discount code, it is Q15 Chyna. Let's just get straight into the haul because I'm so excited. As you would have seen in the thumbnail most likely, I have a huge box as always. Sometimes you guys don't like the triangle clips. I'm sorry, but it's just the easiest way. I don't know how else you guys want me to do it. So if you have any suggestions on how you want me to do the triangle clips instead, I prefer doing sit down hauls as well. Like I don't want to stand up and no, I just find it easier to have a triangle clip here and just talk about it. Before I forget, let's start off with the item I've actually got on. I've been loving shackets recently. I think they're so cute, so comfy, so easy to style. This one is of course from Shein. I've just popped it on with a big oversized jumper and some seamless leggings. I would wear like Uggs or some boots with this. This is it in full, as you can see. Let's discuss because this is so unreal. Don't get me wrong, it's not like a heavy material. It is super lightweight, but it is really thick, so it feels like it's gonna keep me super warm. Like I've got this on now and I'm hot, and I've worn this outside as well and I was still so warm. So just make sure you wear an oversized jumper under it or something like that. But it is so it is so soft. It feels like I'm just wearing a blanket, and that's how I want my clothes to feel. I want to feel comfortable and I want to be warm. Coming from a very cold person who gets cold all the time, this is keeping me so warm and it's so lovely. I think they got some other colours as well, but you know me, I go for the neutral tones with the brown in it. It's just super cozy. It isn't fur lined on the inside like it is on the outside, but it's still like this really soft material. Now for shoes. You might think the exact same thing when you see these because that was my first thought. I've given into the loafer trend. They are borderline school shoes, as you can see, but I see so many people style the Prada ones. Now I'm not about to buy the Prada ones because I'm not that sure on them. These were about 15 maybe 18 pounds on Shein. They do feel really nice, and I've had Shein shoes before. They're good quality, have lasted. This is the cheapest I've seen them. Like I've seen them on ASOS and stuff, and they're still around the £30 mark, which I'm not about to pay that for something I'm not that sure on and if I'm gonna get much use out of them. But I found myself thinking a lot about outfits, and I'm like, what shoes would I wear? And I was like, loafers would look good though, wouldn't it? You have to let me know if you guys are falling into this trend or not. Once they're styled, I think they could look cute with a pinstripe skirt, oversized blazer, just very cutesy. We'll give it a go, see how we got on. We might like it, we might not. I've got a few coats in this haul. I've been looking for a coat like this for so long. I'll just quickly show you it and then you can look at the triangle clip while I ramble on. Here we go. It's an oversized, thick, padded faux leather bomber. I've been wanting a black bomber for so long. I still can't find one. I still haven't. This is faux leather, but I want like a normal material. I love bomber jackets so much. I've got a khaki. Every time I say khaki, people are like, why are you saying khaki? But from England we say khaki, but some countries use the colour olive. So olive and khaki, they're the same thing, but people in England say khaki instead of olive. And you guys say khaki for like beige. I don't know. I have a khaki one and I wear it all the time and I absolutely love it. So I wanted a black one. This is so thick and good quality, guys. Like seriously, I was so shocked. Everything about it's just really good quality, so thick. I paired this with a beanie, some black flares, black hoodie and some Uggs, but you can just wear boots or trainers. Such an autumn winter need because it's so padded, it's so comfortable, and I was just shocked. I think this was around like £30–40, which is more expensive for Shein, but if you use discount codes and stuff, for the quality of it, like this is gonna last and you're gonna use it a lot. If you want any more outfit suggestions with any of the clothes I ever show, please comment below because I'll help you out in the comments. If not, just DM me on Instagram. If you've seen my face before, you know I like to get things in other colours they have. They also had a chocolate brown. I had to, absolutely had to. I love my neutrals. That is just such a nice chocolate brown as well. It's not too warm, it's not too cool tone, it's just that perfect in between. I didn't size up at all, I stuck to my size. I never size up in anything, by the way. I always grab the smaller size in absolutely everything. And it is oversized, it fits perfectly. So if you're around my height, I'm 5 foot and I'm a UK 4, sometimes a 6. I just got the smaller size and it was fine. It was oversized, but it doesn't drown me. I would wear this with like beige colours, you know, kind of what I'm wearing now, them type of tones. But you can also wear them with jeans and a hoodie as well if you like to wear jeans. Right, let's just get all the coats over and done with. I think I've got another one in here. I've been on the hunt for a super cropped puffer jacket. Now I did originally want this in black, but it was out of stock, which is now back in stock, and I think I got it. This is more of a mocha brown kind of grey. like a muted mocha brown. I don't know, but it's super cropped, as you can see, and I love how cropped it is, and then the arms are like quite oversized and padded. I really like that look where it's super cinched and then it's oversized and big. You can wear it with a hoodie, but with cropped coats, I like to wear something shorter under. But I know it's autumn winter, so you do kind of want to layer it. You can still layer it, it will look fine, but I'm just thinking of white short sleeve crop top, some leggings, some cargos. It's kind of cargo vibes, but if you're looking for a puffer coat, this is so nice. It is like padded, but it feels super light. But it does feel nice quality, and it is cinched at the bottom, which is perfect because it brings the waist in. Sometimes with oversized things, it can just kind of, you know, but it does have a collar as well, which I like. Also, I love this. I actually have I don't know if you can see it, a chocolate brown blazer in there. I literally got that from Shein 2 years ago maybe, and I've been on the hunt for a chocolate brown cropped blazer. That's what it is, by the way. I'm so bad at holding things up because I'm like, look at the triangle. A chocolate brown cropped blazer, because I feel like it will go with so much. If you're ever stuck with ideas for what to wear to the pub or out for food, anything like that, jeans, little ribbed crop top and a cropped blazer works every time. You can just adjust the shoes according to occasion. If you like heels, wear heels, trainers, Uggs. I've got a chocolate brown pair of Uggs and this will match it absolutely perfectly. So excited about this. It's a perfect cropness. It's not that like awkward kind of, is it long, is it short? Not that. It's the perfect amount of crop. It does have a button, but I'm just going to leave it open. I'm going to pair it with like a very light pair of jeans, my chocolate brown Uggs, and a rib crop top. I feel like I've already said that, but you can also wear it with a skirt and tights, stuff like that. I don't know if this one specifically came in any more colours, but if it did, I would absolutely cop. It has shoulder pads, by the way, but I'm sure they're removable. I got an oversized black blazer, which is really nice quality as well. Oversized blazers are great for autumn winter. I feel like this would really go with the loafers. Tights, mini skirt, super chunky knit jumper, that's what I'm thinking. This is quite long and oversized because that's what I wanted. I didn't size up or anything. I just want it like I've just got my boyfriend's blazer or like your dad's blazer, something like that. They have these in so many colours, but I just grabbed the black because black is just easy. They're just such a staple. Also, if you're new to my channel, because I do get a lot of new people when it comes to my Shein hauls, I do speed through my videos. I hope you don't mind. I don't like to ramble on too long about an item. I like to show you it, review it, show you the clip, and then we're done. So sorry if you find that annoying. I'm just fast. I don't like rambly videos. I'm a rambly person. In every single haul with every single brand, there's going to be something you don't like. For me, this is it. And I'm always honest on my channel. I will never lie to you and sell you something that isn't good. I got this rib dress because I actually saw a YouTube video of a girl do it and she was like, it's not see-through, it's so thick. And I was like, amazing. Cream rib dress that's not see-through. It was see-through, but I'll be honest with you, it is a ribbed material, but it is quite thin. I guess if you wear a nude pair of underwear, you could maybe get away with it. Lovely beige color, a little bit too long for me, and then it does have a zip so you can open up the chest, close the chest, whatever. I've had a lot from Shein that is ribbed and it's been amazing quality, but unfortunately this is not it. But let's talk about good ribbed quality. Shein's seamless rib tops. I've spoke about these for so long. They are dupes for the Zara ones, so they are cheaper and I find better quality. I feel like they fit better, they make my chest look nice, and they don't make my arms look broad. I have that a lot with racer tops. I don't really like my shoulders, and I find these type of skimpy tops can sometimes make your shoulders look broad. But I got this in a pack of 2, so it comes with the white one, not see-through, and the black one, again, not see-through. They have so many colours of these. I also picked up this chocolate brown one because I have a chocolate pair of leggings from Shein, but they don't match. They're not sold together and they wasn't said they was to, but I was just hoping they did. That odd chance, but they didn't. Super lovely colour if you can match them. I really want to match them, and I will. They have absolutely every colour. I own so many of them, it's unreal. Now for my girls and boys that love a chunky knit at autumn winter, this is for you. Hello quality. This is giving very much H&M, very expensive, just what I like. It is a sweater vest, however it doesn't have the typical V cut here, it just goes all the way up. It is a super huge roll neck, as you can see. I actually rolled mine down 3 times just so you saw a bit of my neck because I felt like it was just cutting my neck off. I mean, I would do that for warmth, but to look like I'm not a floating head, I rolled it down again. I put a shirt dress under this. You could just put an oversized shirt. I did tie it in at the waist because I just preferred that, show a bit of shape, and because I wore black boots with mine just to tie in the black colour. Little black belt and then some chunky Chelsea boots. Honestly, the thick cable knit is just beautiful, and I feel like cable knit looks so expensive looking. Then I did grab another. This is an actual sweater vest. I wish this fitted a little bit smaller just so it's a bit more fitted. This is more of the typical one with the V. It is longer at the back, which I like because sometimes when I'm on my period, I just get insecure. Like, I know I'm not leaking, but I just get scared. So I like to have that coverage. I like when my coat or my top covers my bum a bit. I don't know if anyone else is the same. Let me know if you are. But I wore this with a oversized shirt under, just peeking through slightly, and then one button undone, so has the collar because I didn't want it like schoolboy done all the way up. Faux leather leggings, black aviator, and some black chunky boots again. It's a good outfit for shopping, winter wonderlands. It is a thinner quality, but it doesn't feel cheap feeling, and it's not itchy neither. Another item I'm not sure on, but that's just because I don't know why I picked it, because I don't actually have any outfits in mind. So maybe if you guys have any outfits in mind, let me know. But I've got this white faux leather skirt. Is actually from the petite section. I got an extra small, but I don't find it's petite at all. I feel like it's still quite long in length and weight, and to have it to my desired like height of shortness, I had to have it quite high up on my stomach, and then I had all this excess material, but that's just because I do like my things shorter. It's an okay quality. If you knew how to style this, because I just can't think, then I would recommend it, but for me it's a no because I can't think how to style it. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot to show you these because I was doing a get dressed with me on TikTok. If you don't follow me on TikTok, by the way, follow me. I had it in a little poll because I wore this for an Instagram picture as well. Clearly loving it because I wore it on Instagram and TikTok. It was in a poll. Almost forgot it, but it just comes to my head. Look how cool these are. If you're into cargos and like fun trousers, I feel like you're gonna really love them. They look like dupes of the Manière de Voir ones to me. These are from the petite section. Again, I got the smallest size. They have a little bit of bag at the bottom, but I like that because then it kind of bags over your shoe. Just gives that more edgy, comfy look. There is a side pocket to be a cargo. I don't know. I feel like that's how you be a cargo. You have the pocket on the side because it is a jean material. It does have belt loops, but I won't put belt loops. The stitching is white, which I like as well. It is just loose on my waist. They don't fit me perfectly. I've had other Shein jeans and cargos from the petite section that fit me perfectly, but these are just a bit looser. But I prefer that because it's more low-waisted, adds to that edgy look. And just for what I'm going for in this outfit, you can really mess around with the colour top because it's got loads of neutrals. It's got the khaki in it. I wore mine with just a nude top. I'm so impressed with these. Shein's cargos just impress me every single time. I've never been disappointed. Another dupe that looks like it's from Manière de Voir. You're gonna have to see these on because they're not giving like this. They're like ruched, stacked faux leather trousers. I really like the detailing on the front. As you see, it's a zip and then it kind of dips in. I feel like anything that's pointing that way cinches you in. These are from the petite section. They do have these in the normal section, but I just don't think they'd fit me in a million years. Tiny bit loose on the waist, but again, I don't mind. You could really dress these up. You could wear a corset with some heels. The quality is really nice. Shein's faux leather is always good. I'm so excited because I really wanted the ones from Manière de Voir, but I think they're about like £70, and I just cannot justify that for a pair of trousers that I'm not going to wear all the time. I got some of the Shein skims dupes because a lot of you guys were telling me to get them. They feel so cold because they're that like cold swimming costume material, but they're just too big for me. They're just quite baggy. I can't describe it. Like, they just don't fit me sculpted and perfectly like I wanted, which is a shame. I did grab the smaller size, but it's just how it is. So I got this colour. I don't think it says what colour. No, but all the links will be in the description box anyway. I wanted to wear these with joggers. You can also wear them with jeans. So I got this colour. It's kind of mauve, kind of purple. Then I got the grey. I was about to say they're giving really Kim K. Of course they are, because they're dupes of Skims, which is her brand. And then this charcoal. I also think these would look sick with cargos as well. They're a really nice buttery soft quality, but they're just too big for me, unfortunately. I love tweed at autumn winter. I really go in and out of liking it, but Shein's tweed is so good. Got this from the petite section. We've got the gold buttons along here and here. I wear these with like high knee boots, knitted jumper, bodysuit, faux fur coat, aviator. They're just a good way to kind of like expensive up your outfit, if that makes any sense at all. It's a really nice quality tweed as well. All their tweed is just so perfect. So I remember I went through a phase of loving tweed, and I got so much from Shein because Shein is the best place for tweed, and I loved it all, and I've never looked back since. So I'm glad they started to do it in the petite. I hope they do more in the petite range because I find their normal section is a little bit too big for me, but these are really nice, and because it's black, so easy to style. So guys, that's the end of my Shein haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely love filming Shein haul, so let me know if you want more. Don't forget to use my discount code Q15Chyna, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.